なんかいろいろさせる、日本語で説明できないけど。Hey guys, what's up? How tall are you? I am like 5. Oh god. Gomen, minna. Yeah, I have the hiccups now. I'm trying to wait till they stop so I don't talk and then suddenly. When were you born? I was born February 11th, 1923. Are you going to go to art school? I do not have plans currently to do that. Talk to you. Wish I had a... Anything interesting happening? Happened recently. Oh my god. Happened recently. Don't know who you are. It's okay. It's okay. I don't do a lot. Hang on. Let me try to... Oh. Kedo, 多分何も治らない. Will you come to Seattle soon? I don't know. I would love to. Alright. Every time I do a live, I think it's gonna be a really good idea. But I think I'm gonna get back to my Netflix now. じゃあみんなしゃっかりがちょっとやばいからね、髪の毛もやばいけどごめん、今ちょっとなんでライブやろうとしてたかわかんないんだけどね。じゃあ皆さんまたあさってね、神戸コレクション出るので、もしよかったらぜひ遊びに来てください。じゃあまた神戸コレクションでまた次のライブ